What's up everyone and welcome to today's video. Today we are making French toast, which is easy, delicious and very fun to make. What I like about this recipe is that it doesn't require a fixed amount of ingredients. You can always add more from the things that you like or remove from those that you don't like. With that said, let's grab everything we need and start making French toast. For this recipe, we are going to need 2 slices of bread, 2 eggs, about a cup of milk, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, a tablespoon of butter, a bunch of raspberries, and some maple syrup. First, we are going to prepare the egg mixture that we are going to dip the breads in. Crack both of the eggs and start stirring them with a fork. Make sure to use a bowl that is big enough to fit the bread in. If the bowl is not big enough, the slices of bread will not be soaked properly. And now it's time to add the milk. As I mentioned it before, we can always adjust the ingredients with this recipe. So if you want your French toast to be more on the egg side, make sure to add less milk. In my scenario, I'm going to be adding about a cup of milk. Mix it really well, and now it's time to add the nutmeg and the cinnamon. After our mixture is ready, we are going to dip the slices of bread in it. Now the secret to the best French toast is to use stale bread and let the bread soak in for at least 5 minutes. In my scenario, I am using a sourdough bread which is pretty stale. But if you're using a brioche bread or some sort of bread that is very soft, make sure not to soak it for that long because it will make the bread very saggy. While the bread is being soaked in, don't forget to check my Instagram page, Julio Cooks, where I post other recipes and restaurant reviews. Let's add the butter in a frying pan and then add the slice of bread and fry it 3 minutes on each side. When the French toast is ready, it is going to look dark brownish on both sides. Now that the French toast is cooked, let's add your favorite fruits and some maple syrup. And that's how you make French toast. If you did like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe below and I'll see you on the next video.